Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today is our final day in Barbados, and you can't come to Barbados without going to Oistins. So that is what we're about today. Oistins Fish Market. So we're gonna check it out today, and as I said, it's the last full day in Barbados. I'm about to go get a haircut and we're gonna head off to Oistins. Let's do it. Okay guys, so we're finally here. We're at Oistins. This is the spot, the famous spot that everyone comes to when you're in Barbados. The Friday night fish fry and entertainment. Yeah, so we're right here. Looks different in the day, so just gonna check out the beach and then come back and see if we can get some fly fish and cuckoo, or try some local cuisine. So we're here in Oistins, beautiful Barbados. Yes, so now we are in a place called Christchurch in Barbados, and we are at the beach called Miami Beach. It's a very small beach, but very beautiful water. You can see in the background the kids enjoying the water. Yeah, so Christchurch, we're in that area. We're at Miami Beach, and we are having fun in the water. Small beach, but very beautiful. Mariah, are you enjoying the beach so far? You enjoying the beach so far?
Yeah,
How's the water?
really good.
Okay.
Like you can swim in it and everything.
Nice. Yeah, so that's where we are. Miami Beach, Christchurch, at the beautiful island of Barbados. Raya! Jaden! Raya! Jaden! One of the things that I love about Barbados so far, our first time as a family in Barbados, my first time in Barbados, this trip completes the 3B, Bermuda, Bahamas, Barbados, lived in Bermuda, visited Bahamas, and now Barbados. And they're so similar. But one of the things I like about Barbados the most is that the beaches, there's no such thing as a private beach. Even the beaches that are on the resort, there have to be like a pathway when you're going through the beach. Unlike places like Jamaica, and I think even in St. Vincent, we had that experience when you went to St. Vincent, the New Sandals Hotel. You could not go certain place on the beach. So what I love about Barbados so far is that there's no private beaches. Even when it's on a resort, you still have access to the beach, and nobody can tell you like to get off their beach because it's everyone's beach. So Barbados, wonderful beach experience, and I think a lot of the other Caribbean islands can learn from Barbados where the beach is concerned. Wonderful experience. So I'm still in Miami Beach, and look at the facilities. Look how beautiful that is. How clean, nice and beautiful. There are washroom, changing room. There is like some outdoor showers right there, those two showers. And there are other showers. Look at that. There's like a lifeguard post right there. And look how beautiful the backdrop of this beach is. Very beautiful beach. And one thing while traveling that, you know, I'm happy about is that when you get to travel the different islands, you get to see the different ways in how they operate. And what I must say about Barbados is that there's no such thing as a private beach. Even if the beach is on where a hotel, like an all-inclusive hotel is, that public locals have access to the beach. There's always like a pathway for you to get to the beach, even if it's on where an hotel is. And I think one of the problems that some of the islands in the Caribbean have, in particular Jamaica, is that a lot of the beaches are sold out to these investors that buy and operate these massive hotels, and locals don't have access to many beach. But look at this. This is a public beach, very beautiful facilities. You don't have to pay an entry fee to get on here. So as a local, you can get off work, you can get from school, and you can just come and enjoy the beach like anyone else. The only thing is that with like if you want to rent like an umbrella or chair, that's going to cost you. But apart from that, you just walk off the street, come to the beach, and enjoy the facilities free of cost. And that is what I love about Barbados so far. There's no such thing as private beaches. So, again, beautiful island of Barbados. Look at that backdrop. So this is what Oistin look like in the day, but Friday night it comes alive. Like you can't even find space to park Friday night when you come out to Oistins because this is where everyone comes Friday night for their fish fry, grilled fish, breadfruit. This is where locals and tourists meet up. So, and it looks a bit different in the daytime from when you see images during the night. So, yep, we're in the middle of Oistins. So right across the street, right in front of me, you can see the Oistins Fish Market. In Oistins, this is where the boats come in with the fish, and you get the nice fresh fish off the boat. Oistins, awesome. What I notice about Barbados too is like they use a lot of solar energy, which is something that the Caribbean really should do because it's such a shame to live in such a sunny place and not make use of the solar energy. So look at that on top of the roof. Let me zoom in a bit closer. Look at that. All the roofs have solar panel. And that is just a fish market, that is not other buildings, just a fish market. So you can see that the government invests a lot in clean energy, solar energy, and that's amazing. So we are spending the day in the parish of Christchurch, enjoying Miami Beach and also Oistins Garden. But the kids wanted to go to the Chefette in this parish, so we're heading towards Chefette in the parish of Christchurch. Come along with us. Okay, so we are going to try the ice cream for the first time. Chefette's Frosties. That's like rum and raisin and cookies and cream. Why? You never had rum and raisins before? Don't worry, there's no alcohol in it. There's no alcohol. It's just the flavor.
Not bad.
Try some more.
It has a very like strong taste. I don't know what a flavor it is, but I think it's rum.
Rum, yeah.
Yeah, it has a very strong taste of rum. Yeah.
Like it?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's 2 scoops, $10.50 Beijing dollar. That's what 5.25 US. Try. Yeah, it's smooth, creamy. It tastes different. It tastes like, I guess it's Bajan rum because I know the Jamaican rum and raisin have like a, I guess Jamaican white rum probably tastes, but this tastes different. Probably like, I don't know, maybe it's red rum, the Mount Gay rum flavor. I don't know. Yeah, it's good though, very good. It's not actual rum. It's like the extract, like the flavor. So, but it tastes a bit different from the one that I'm used to. But rum and raisins, perfect. Okay, so we spent the entire day in the Christchurch area in the beautiful island of Barbados. And I'm still at Miami Beach, very beautiful beach. We are at the small section, spend the entire day. Very beautiful beach, very beautiful experience. We experienced the town of Christchurch. We experienced Oistin, that place that comes alive every Friday night. And this is where I'm going to leave it. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content from the Caribbean. And remember, peace. I'm out.